Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to correct the exercises of or about quantifiers. So this is the handout I give you about quantifiers exercises. So here we have the activity C and the activity B, and also we are going to correct the exercise that we have in our book on page 59. So let's start with the activity C in this handout. So we are asked here to fill in the blanks with some or any, as in the example here. Are there any rabbits in the garden? So we said that some and any are used with countable and uncountable nouns, but some it is used only in the affirmative sentences, and any it is used only in the negative and interrogative sentences. So the exercise is easy. When the sentence is negative or interrogative, so we are going to use any, and when the sentence is affirmative, we are going to use the sentence or we are going to use the quantifier some. Okay, so let's start with number 2. Are there children in the classroom? So are there any children in the classroom? Are there any children in the classroom? هل هناك من أولاد في القسم or in the class? So there aren't any chairs in the room. ليس هناك كراسي. كرسي يعني جمع كراسي جمع كرسي chairs in the room في الغرفة. Are there any birds in the tree? هل هناك من طيور in the tree في الشجرة in the tree الشجرة. There isn't any money in the bag. ليس هناك نقود في الحقيبة. There is some coffee in the cup. There is some coffee in the cup. So this is affirmative sentence. That's why we use some. There is some coffee in the cup. هناك بعض القهوة في الكأس. There are some policemen in the police station. هناك بعض الشرطيون أو رجال الشرطة in the police station في محطة يعني البوليس أو في مركز البوليس. Are there any fish in the water? هل هناك من سمك في الماء in the water? Okay, let's go. This sentence, you don't have these sentences, but we are going to add them. Okay, are there any oranges in the basket? هل هناك من ليمونات في الشبكة أو في الشبكة. There isn't any milk in the fridge. ليس هناك أي حليب في الثلاجة. I have some tea. عندي بعض الشاي, but I don't have any sugar. ولكن ليس لدي أي سكر. Is there any meat at home? هل هناك من لحم في المنزل? There were some apples here a minute ago. كان هناك بعض التفاحات هنا here هنا يعني في دقيقة هذه دزت. There aren't any glasses on the table. ليس هناك من كؤوس على الطاولة. Please buy me some stamps at the post office. من فضلك اشتري لي buy me اشتري لي بعض الطوابع البريدية في مركز البريد at the post office مركز البريد. So this is the activity C. Let's go to the activity D. So here we are asked to fill in the blanks with how much, how many, a few, a little, some, or any. So the first question is, how many bananas would you like, sir? How many bananas would you like, sir? Here we are asking about the number. If you want to ask about the number, we have to use how many. Okay, so كم عدد الموزات التي تريد يا سيدي؟ الجواب هو just some please, or just a few please. Okay, just a few or some please, both of them are correct. يعني البعض فقط. هاد just هي اللي فرضت علينا أن نستعمله few. Now it means فقط البعض من فضلك, or just some please, no problem if you use some. Is there any milk? Is there any milk? هل هناك من حليب؟ Sorry, we haven't got any milk. عذرا ليس لدينا أي حليب. So here, how much bread would you like? How much? So we use how much because here we are asking about the quantity, الكمية, because here we have bread. Bread is uncountable, so we have to ask we using with how much. نسولوا على الكمية ديال uncountable nouns. ما كنسولوش على العدد ديال countable nouns لأنهم لا يعدون أصلا، ما يمكنش نعدوهم، بالتالي كنسولوا فقط على الكمية. Is it big quantity or small quantity? So كمية الخبز التي تريدها. Would you like? الجواب just some please. Just some please. Here we can use just some because bread is uncountable. We cannot use ما نقدروش نستعمله, or we can use also a little, just a little please, because a little and some they have the same meaning. Some it can be used with countable and uncountable nouns. هي نقدروا نستعملوها هذه، نقدروا نستعملوها مع countable and uncountable. ولكن a little it is used only with uncountable nouns. هنا breed is uncountable وبالتالي ممكن نستعمله a little. just يعني هي اللي كتبين لنا بأننا نحتاج فقط كمية صغيرة، فقط some or just a little please. The next question here, carrots. Carrots is countable, so we are going to ask about the number, and we are going to use how many carrots do we have. The answer is كم عدد الجزرات carrots do we have التي لدينا. الجواب هو we have only, لدينا فقط a few. We use a few هنا because carrots is countable noun. We can also use some because some also is used with countable nouns. Let's go to the next question, number 5. Here, how many oranges do we need? نسولنا على العدد ديال الليمونات التي نحتاج. Do we need يحتاج. We don't need any oranges. لا نحتاج أي ليمونات. Okay, we don't need any oranges. So this is the activity D. Let's go to the activity 5 on page 59. So we are asked to circle the correct word. أننا يعني عندنا في الجمل اللي كاينة في هذه الفقرة الصغيرة in this small paragraph we have many sentences. In each sentences we have to choose from between two quantifiers. So let's start. This cookery book contains هذا كتاب الطبخ cookery book وكتاب الطبخ contains يحتوي على. Okay, here we are asked to ask much or a lot of recipes. So recipes, it is a countable plural noun. Much, it is used only with uncountable, and a lot of it can be used with countable and uncountable nouns. So we are going to choose a lot of now. The right answer is a lot of. الجواب هنا a lot of because لأنه much ما يمكنش تستعملوها مع الكاونتبل، وهنايا recipes it is countable and plural. So a lot of it can be used with يمكننا نستعملوها مع الكاونتبل ومع uncountable. So this is the right answer. Let's go. Any or some of them take only. This is affirmative sentence. قلنا any, it cannot be used with affirmative sentence. So the right answer is some. Some of them, البعض منهم، هالذم كتعود على recipes، الوصفات وصفات recipes. Some of them، البعض من ذوك الوصفات take only تأخذ فقط okay few or many minutes. okay هنا few كتعني البعض it is used with countable nouns، و many كتعني العديد it is used with countable nouns. هنا we have to use a few. why? Because we have only كتعني فقط، وبالتالي غادي نحتاجو كمية صغيرة small quantity not a big quantity. So a few is the right answer. Sorry, there is a, I will correct this. So the right answer here is a few minutes, because minutes is countable plural noun, and we use just we need just a small quantity, not a big quantity. So a few minutes. Some of them، البعض منهم يأخذ فقط يأخذ فقط a few minutes، يعني بعض الدقائق to prepare، للتحضير. Besides، بالإضافة إلى ذلك، هي besides you don't need many or some ingredients. هنا so you don't need many ingredients، لأن هنا كنهضروا على البيج quantity، لا نحتاج الكثير من المكونات. ingredient لا تحتاج الكثير من المكونات. There is just a little or a few oil. So a little, it is used with uncountable and countable nouns, with uncountable nouns, and a few, it is used with countable nouns. Here oil, it is uncountable, so the right answer is a little. لأن هنا a little كتستعمل مع uncountable، و few كتستعمل مع countable. So هنا oil is uncountable، وبالتالي الجواب الصحيح هو a little. Let's go. So there is just a little oil. وهناك القليل من الزيت or fat والدهن in them فيهم. هذا them كتعود على ingredients المكونات. And they use وهم يستعملون a lot of or much vegetables. So a lot of, it is used with countable and uncountable nouns, but much, it is used only with uncountable nouns. And now vegetables, it is plural and countable, so the right answer is a lot of. Okay. So any or some cooks who use the book, so now it is so we cannot use any because this is affirmative sentence, so we're going to use some cooks، يعني بعض الطباخين who use the book الذين الذين يستعملون the book الكتاب say يقولون that you can use يقولون أنه بإمكانك أن تستعمل use as many or okay as many, we have to use many spices توابل as you want. يعني يمكنك أن تستعمل يعني الكثير من التوابل ما يعني بالقدر الذي تريد. Now we use many because spices is countable plural noun. Much, it is used only with uncountable nouns. So this is the correction of the activities that related to quantifiers. I hope you can use now quantifiers in a correct way. Good luck.